In this screencast, we'll look at 4 commands. We'll look at the rectangle command, followed by the explode command, followed by the mirror command, and at the end I'll show you the scale command. So I'm going to start off with the rectangle command. So the rectangle command's here. You click on it, click on a starting point, click on an ending point, and it draws your rectangle. Again, you can click on a starting point and then an ending point, and it creates a rectangle. If you want an exact size rectangle, you click on the rectangle, click a starting point, put your horizontal distance first, so let's say it's 10 units, and you put a comma, and then you put your up and down distance, okay? Your vertical distance would say 4, and then you hit enter. Again, 10 comma 4 produces a rectangle which is 10 long and 4 high. Now if you take a look at these rectangles and you click on it, and you look at the grips, you'll see that if you click on one of the grips, the entire rectangle changes. So let's say you wanted to separate the rectangle into parts. So now I've created a different type of shape out of that rectangle by clicking on the grips. Now I'm going to break it apart by using another command known as the explode command. And the explode command is right here. So if I'll just get out of this, I'll click on the explode command. I'll click on that, and then I hit enter. And now I can click on the parts of that shape here and move them around. Again, I click on the explode command. I click on the shape. I click enter. Oops, I click on the shape again, hit enter. And now it's all exploded into different parts. So as you can see, I can click on the one line and move it. And I click on the other line and move it, as opposed to it being one shape. Okay, the next command I want to talk about is mirror. So the mirror command is right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a mirror of this object here. So I'm going to, again, click on the mirror command as I did. I'll do a box around the object I want to mirror. I'll click again. I'll hit enter. Now I need to pick a starting point. So let's say I pick here. I pick an ending point so I can go straight down. I can turn the 90-degree on. I can go straight down. And it says erase source objects, no. And I've got 2 of the same ones mirrored. Again, let's try it with a simple triangle. So I will create a very simple triangle right here. And now I'm going to mirror this triangle. So I will use the mirror command. I'll put a box around what I want to mirror. Hit enter. Pick a starting point. Pick an ending point. Do I want to erase source objects? No. Again, let's do that again and show you a different way to mirror. I'll mirror. Put a box about what I want to mirror, hit enter. Now I'm going to do it on an angle, so I'll pick a starting point, I'll pick an ending point, and then I'll just hit enter, and it keeps the original object. And one last time, hit the mirror command, pick all the objects I want to mirror, hit enter, okay, click a starting point, click an ending point, and I've designed this cute little kite. Okay, final one I want to show you is the scale command. Scale command's found right here. You click on the scale command. You highlight what you want to scale. You hit enter. You pick like a starting point. And then you can either zoom in or out. It's pretty tricky. Or you can type a number. So I'm going to type 4, enter. And it makes it 4 times bigger. Again, you can also make it smaller by making it a decimal. So if I hit the scale command, I pick all these items that I have, maybe all these items, but that one triangle at the end. I hit enter. I pick a starting point, let's say here, and then I pick maybe a decimal. So I go decimal 2. So 0.2 times the size. So these are all 0.2 size of the other ones. And those are an introduction to those 4 commands.